That didn't take long.
Just swim to the boat.
What?
Try to hold that. Try to hold that side for her.
Swim to the boat.
They can get on.
Quit grabbing my foot.
You flipped the wiener.
Now we didn't get going yet.
Oh no! God, it was on Gabby's fault. Yeah, totally. It was funny.
Kind of climb up on here. There.
Is it big? Is it a big
I
spider?
didn't touch it.
I think they're gone.
How
Right
the
here.
hell do I get on this boat? Oh my God. Alex fucking falling on top.
You want to try and get on it? I can hold it. Not right now. You think my hold it can get on?
They go with life jackets. It's a rule. Dude, we would have drowned without our life jackets. Right, I'm holding it too. I'm trying. Okay.
Go. Yeah, go ahead.
Where?
Spider.
Yeah, there is. Do you not see it?
No. Oh, I do see it.
It's alright. It's just a creepy crawler.
Don't throw it on me. I hate spiders.
Go ahead.
Just wet it and just scooch it away.
I'm swimming with
There you
the
go.
fishies. Got it. Okay, get on.
Alex, you're not going to be able to get on it.
I know.
Come on over here. Grab it down.
Right
Underneath it.
Hold on, Gabby. Hold on.
here. I can't even pull myself up. Let me see if I can get up. You feel it? Come on. Go. That's not water. Ew. Go. Are you talking about this? No, right here.
It's coming out.
Yeah.